Hello, this is Andrew Amigo with The Accomplished Brain, and we're talking about this series of head postures. So first we talked about why it's so important. Second, we talked about when the head tilts, some of the things I do. And then the next, here we want to talk about when you see somebody with this forward head posture, and what does it mean? Usually when you see that, you're usually seeing the brain has a map. And the map is really distorted. If you take like a picture and you throw paint on the picture, like the picture gets smudged. And usually that's what happens in the brain. The brain is getting smudged, and that causes the map is distorted. And as a result, you'll see people with this forward head posture. What happens is an exercise that I build up to is an exercise where we could reorganize the map. And the way to do that is there's an exercise, an eye movement exercise, that a target starts in a certain position, then the target disappears, and then the target relocates at another position. And it keeps doing that in a certain direction, and we can figure out what direction is gonna work. So here's a target that disappears, and then it reappears at a new location in the same direction. Okay, whether it starts here, disappears, and then you're moving down. And I found that these exercises, what they do, they have many roles, but one of their roles is to activate an area of the brainstem that could reorganize the map. And what you'll start to see is you'll start to see like the forward head posture like this start to now completely normalize. And it's just amazing. And the reason so again, when I see the forward head posture, it tells me what area of the brain is not really, what areas of the brain aren't working properly. And I correlate that with other things that might be functioning not properly. And then I do this one simple exercise. I figure out what direction, simple exercise, and we could change that forward head posture to normalizing that, as well as other things, other functions improve as well. Their walking improves, their anxiety improves, their blood pressure. I mean, there's so many things, but for this purpose, I just want, and I get so excited because, again, I work with complex cases, and I do these simple exercises that could get great results. And what it is I have a very strong command of how the brain, the nervous system, the autonomics part of the nervous system, the heart rate, blood pressure, the gut, the immune system, all these things, how they work. And then I can give really simple things to create a balance and improve people's function. Again, so forward head posture, simple eye movements, could reorganize the map in the brain, and that could change and normalize someone with forward head posture. Thank you.